Last summer, I was at a closed-door service workshop hosted by a senior technician who had just returned from Japan. During a break, he leaned over and asked me something strange. "Do you show drivers the hidden system functions?" I paused. I thought I knew these cars inside out. I was wrong. For the next half hour, he walked me through features quietly built into modern Japanese vehicles, functions engineered deep into the software, designed to protect the engine, extend battery life, improve safety, and even increase fuel efficiency. Yet almost no one uses them. Not because they don't work, but because most drivers don't even know they exist. Here's what shocked me most. These features aren't clearly explained in the owner's manual. Sales staff rarely mention them. They're not highlighted in advertisements. They're simply there, waiting to be activated. He explained that in Japan, automotive design follows a different philosophy. Engineers build layered functionality into their vehicles, assuming curious owners will explore and discover advanced capabilities over time. Driver communities share these discoveries quietly, but outside of Japan, that knowledge almost never spreads. That night, I tested what he showed me. Every function worked exactly as described. In this video, I'm revealing secret Japanese functions that only 1% of drivers ever activate. Some protect your engine, some preserve your battery, and one could genuinely save you in an emergency. Let's begin. Secret function number 1, battery preservation sleep mode. Every modern Japanese vehicle has a built-in battery protection strategy, but almost no drivers intentionally activate it. If you own a Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, or Nissan built within the last decade, this function is already inside your car. Here's the issue it quietly solves. Even when your vehicle is turned off, it is never truly asleep. Proximity sensors search for your key. Security modules stay alert. Memory systems preserve climate and seat settings. Multimedia units maintain standby readiness. Each one draws a microscopic amount of power. Individually, it's nothing. Collectively, over 10 to 14 days, it can drain a healthy battery. Japanese engineers anticipated this scenario. They designed a deeper standby layer that reduces background communication between modules and slows passive key detection cycles. Activating it is simple, but rarely explained. On most Toyota and Lexus models, lock the vehicle, then press the lock button 2 additional times within 3 seconds. A subtle change in the confirmation sound signals activation. On many Honda vehicles, lock the car and hold the lock button for several seconds until the hazard lights flash twice. Mazda models typically require a quick double press, followed by a brief hold. Subaru models often use a lock-unlock-lock sequence within 5 seconds. When engaged, parasitic drain can drop significantly during extended parking. If you travel, leave your car unused for days, or store it seasonally, this single habit can prevent inconvenient no-start situations. It's simple, intentional, and quietly powerful. Secret function number 2, real-time engine temperature monitor. Most drivers trust the temperature gauge on their dashboard, but here's the truth. In many modern Japanese vehicles, that gauge is intentionally buffered. If you drive a Toyota, Lexus, or Honda built in recent years, the needle often stays centered across a wide temperature range. Whether your coolant is moderately warm or approaching a critical threshold, the display may not immediately reflect it. It only reacts once temperatures move beyond a programmed safety window. What most owners never realize is that the vehicle constantly tracks precise coolant data in the background. Engineers included a secondary information layer that reveals exact temperature readings, but it isn't shown by default. On many Toyota and Lexus models, while viewing trip information, press and hold the display control for several seconds. A technical screen appears with live coolant temperature, battery voltage, and additional system data. On certain Honda models, holding the select and reset buttons together while on the primary display opens a similar diagnostic view. This matters more than people think. During mountain driving, heavy traffic, or towing, you can observe rising temperatures before the standard gauge reacts. Spotting abnormal heat early allows you to reduce load or stop safely before damage occurs. It's proactive awareness instead of reactive warning. Secret function number 3, silent lock confirmation. Most drivers don't realize their car doesn't have to honk every time they lock it. If you drive a Toyota, Honda, Mazda, or Subaru with a factory alarm system, there's a quieter confirmation mode built in. Here's why it matters. In apartment complexes, early mornings, late nights, or quiet neighborhoods, that sharp horn chirp can feel unnecessary. Japanese engineers anticipated this and included a light-only confirmation option that keeps the security system fully active without the audible beep. On many Toyota models, press and hold the lock button for a few seconds. The hazard lights will flash, but the horn will remain silent. To make it permanent, navigate to Vehicle Settings, select Door Lock Preferences, and change confirmation from horn to lights only. On most Honda models, holding the lock button achieves the same silent response. Mazda and Subaru typically include the option inside the Security or Lock Settings menu, where you can disable horn confirmation entirely. It's a small adjustment, but once enabled, it transforms everyday use into something calmer and more considerate. Secret function number 4. Real-time fuel coaching display. Every modern Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru includes a built-in driving efficiency coach. The problem? Most drivers never activate the detailed view. They rely on average MPG numbers, which only tell part of the story. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Your vehicle constantly measures throttle input, fuel injection timing, load, and speed. That data can be displayed in real time, showing exactly how your driving style affects consumption second by second. On many Toyota and Lexus models, while viewing the fuel economy screen, press and hold the display control. The screen switches to a live fuel flow or instantaneous efficiency view, updating rapidly instead of showing a long-term average. On Honda models equipped with Eco Assist, access the Vehicle Settings menu and enable detailed coaching. This unlocks a scoring system that evaluates braking smoothness, acceleration control, and speed stability after each drive. Why does this matter? When drivers see instant feedback, behavior changes naturally. Gradual throttle application, smoother braking, and consistent speeds become habits. Over time, that awareness can noticeably improve fuel efficiency without any mechanical modification. It's not just a display, it's behavioral engineering built into your dashboard. Secret function number 5, Cold Start Lubrication Assist. This may be the most overlooked protection feature built into modern Japanese vehicles. Engineers at Toyota, Honda, and Lexus design their engines with extremely tight tolerances. That precision improves efficiency and longevity, but it also means cold starts matter. Here's the mechanical reality. When an engine sits overnight, oil drains back into the pan and thickens as it cools. During the first few seconds after startup, internal components like camshafts and valve timing mechanisms are not yet fully pressurized with oil. That brief window is when most long-term wear begins. What many drivers never realize is that the engine management system includes a short warm-up calibration phase. After starting the vehicle, allow it to idle calmly for several seconds before selecting gear or pressing the accelerator. During this period, the system slightly adjusts idle speed, optimizes valve timing, and prioritizes oil pump output to stabilize lubrication pressure. It's not dramatic. You won't see flashing indicators or warning messages, but that quiet pause gives critical components time to receive proper oil flow before load is applied. Over years of ownership, this simple habit can reduce internal wear and preserve performance. Sometimes the smartest protection strategy isn't adding anything new, it's simply allowing the engineering to do its job. Secret function number 6, built-in self-diagnostic check. Most owners assume you need an expensive scan tool to see what your car is thinking, but vehicles from Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru already contain a simplified diagnostic layer you can access yourself. Here's what most drivers don't realize. The moment you switch the ignition on, dozens of control modules perform internal self-checks. They monitor sensors, voltage stability, communication networks, and emission systems. Normally, you only see a warning light if something fails completely. But there is a way to observe the system check process before that happens. On many Toyota and Lexus models, turning the ignition to accessory mode and rapidly pressing the trip or odometer button triggers a brief status display. Certain Honda models allow a similar sequence by holding the reset button during ignition on. Mazda and Subaru vehicles often use combinations of trip toggles while the ignition is active. The screen may cycle through codes or indicators confirming system readiness. If everything clears normally, it's a quick reassurance. If something lingers, you know to investigate early. It's a fast, no-cost health check built directly into your dashboard. Secret function number 7, intelligent entry and exit positioning. Most drivers believe seat memory simply saves one driving position, but in many premium Japanese vehicles, there's a deeper automation layer built in. Models from Lexus and higher-trim Toyota vehicles include an entry and exit assist feature hidden inside the settings menu. Here's how it works. Once enabled under memory or driver personalization settings, the vehicle links your key fob to your stored position. When you unlock the car, the seat and mirrors automatically adjust to your programmed driving setup. No buttons pressed. It happens before you even settle in. There's another layer most owners miss. Activate the exit assist option, and when you shift into park and turn off the ignition, the seat slides back slightly to create extra space for stepping out comfortably. Start the car again, and it returns to your preset driving position. Some Honda models offer a similar feature by holding the memory button while parked to store an exit position. It's subtle automation that improves daily comfort. What these functions reveal about Japanese engineering. Here's what impresses me most about all these hidden functions. Every single one was created with a clear purpose. Not marketing gimmicks, not flashy features, but thoughtful engineering solutions to real problems. Battery Guardian mode prevents unnecessary drain. Cold start protection prolongs engine life. The built-in diagnostic menu gives instant insight into your car's health. Japanese automotive engineers don't just think about the test drive, they design for the car's entire lifespan. Each of these features exists because someone in the engineering room asked, what if the owner doesn't know this? How can we help without complicating things? That's Japanese engineering philosophy at its finest. The best part? Every one of these features is already in your car, fully functional, waiting for you to use it. You just had to know they existed. If you found this guide useful, check out the next video where I reveal even more insider tips to save money, extend your car's life, and get the most out of every drive.